Welcome back to my channel, friends. Today we learn a few steps for free make money online in homework in this coronavirus crisis. Number number one, become a copywriter. Want to earn to great income no matter where you live, a house by the sea in Latin America, an historical European city, or even a Greek island. Copywriting could be ideal for you. According to International Living, copywriting is a mega industry ripe with opportunity and yearning of people who can fuel it with fresh marketing messages. And one of the best benefits of the freelance copywriter lifestyle is that you can get paid in US dollars. Yet, living virtually anywhere in the world, Express Writer has tips on how to become a copywriter and is also a resource for jobs. Number two, teach a search. Teach English. If you are native English speaker, you may not realize, but you already have the number of qualification you need for a fun, portable income that can hand you a steady paycheck from anywhere in the world, says International Living. Some resources include GoOverseas.com, TeachAway.com, teach English online to Chinese students. IT Twitter group teach English online to Taiwanese children and adults, and English Hunt teach English on the people adult students in Korea. Number five, turn your interest into a product that pays. Products does not it have to complete it, says International Living, which a microphone, laptops, and free recording software. You will be up a running. Plus, products does not need a running every day. Once a week is the best and are better when they are short. They are a member of ways to make money from a products. The most obvious the communication sponsorship, but you can also use it as a platform advertiser you on products or service. NPR has a great guide to launching products here. Next, next is a set up a content and web development business. Do you know how to do web and content development? You can offer this service to anyone via online tools that make development beautiful. Website a snap. Some resources include WordPress, Weebly, and Joomla. Next, become a translator and interpreter. Do you speak another language? Anywhere you find expect communities, and where English is not the first language, you will find need for interpreting and translation services. You can also do translation and interpretation online. You will find a number of resources for being a translator or an interpreter here on a best well size, which ranking at the top of the top 20 companies for remote jobs in 2020. Next, try drop shipping. Have you heard of drop shipping? It is a method of retail where the seller does not actually have a physical integrity intestine. When a customer makes an order, you purchase the item from a third party and they ship it directly to the customer. This means you will never have to fork over and a single team to store your products or mention your entirely advise International Living, and you will never have to buy products bulk hoping to the sale enough to recoup your investment. This method can be done with online selling platform like eBay or Amazon. You can find out more about dropshipping in this helpful article from Shopify. Next, Twitter. Please subscribe my channel and share. Number 9, next, Twitter. Establishment your own Twitter service can be electric business that provides you can with a comfortable and flexible lifestyle. Advice international living the best part after all. You can set up a tutoring business in almost any country in the world. A trip a tip offer discount to clients who promote your business. Word of mouth marketing is still one of the most valuable marketing tools you can have when starting out. Advice International Living, the site tutors.com, has a list of the best online tutoring jobs, and you can also apply the tutor.com. Next, become a freelancer. Proofreading is the another attractive online career. The most agencies will pay around 25% of the price of translated document to a provider. Advice International Living agencies charging about $75 for the translation of the 5 pages standard business documents. So proofing the same document, which takes about an per hour, pays out about 18 to 20 hour dollar. You can work full time, part time, of around the clock. A site that resource of the media professional has a tips on how become a professional. Next is a type of for cash. Are you a fast typist? Simple. Listen to a audio file through headphone and type it out as a transition. Your page directly related to how fast you type. Advice International Living. Jobs are paid by the audio per hour, the length of the audio file, rather than by their hour worked. The time spent a transposition by the audio quality, background noise, the ASN5 speaker. The average transition 75 and 100 words per minute will complete one audio hour in 4 hour worked. Consider the company Revy.com, which hires a freelancer transaction. Next is create a money making blog. Do you have an area of experts? Share your advice on blog. If travel is your area of experts, that you about what you have to offer. Are you expert in luxury travel or budget travel? Can you share advice about a creation advice like hiking or shopping? That more specific you get, the easier it will the attract on engaged audience and to earn money with your site. Advice International Living, the sites Squarespace and Wix have tips on how to create blogs and can also host them.